Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is New ENSO Forecast Model. The Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services in Hyderabad has developed a new product to predict El Nino and La Nina conditions up to 15 months in advance. El Nino and La Nina are the different phases of the El Nino Southern Oscillation, that is ENSO. The Bayesian Convolutional Neural Network leverages artificial intelligence, deep learning, and machine learning to improve forecasts related to ENSO phases. BCNN calculates the Nino 3.4 index value, which is obtained from averaging sea surface temperature anomali in the central equatorial Pacific to predict ENSO phases. There are largely two kinds of weather models used for forecasting, the statistical model and the dynamic model. BCNN combines the dynamic model with AI. This allows it to forecast the emergence of El Nino and La Nina conditions with a lead time of up to 15 months, unlike the traditional models that can only predict these conditions 6 to 9 months in advance. Let's know more about ENSO, that is El Nino Southern Oscillation. ENSO is a climatic phenomena which involves changes in the temperature of waters in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, coupled with fluctuations in the overlying atmosphere. ENSO occurs in irregular cycles of 2 to 7 years and consists of 3 distinct phases: El Nino, La Nina, and neutral. These phases play a crucial role in shaping global weather patterns. Now it's a time to test your knowledge. The question is, what index value does the BCNN calculate to determine ENSO phases? ENSO 3.4, Nino 3.4, SST 3.4, or Pacific 3.4? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.